Welcome to the sequel of Hungry Cursed SCElijahs. This will include 7, 6, 5, and 30-headed cursed SCElijahs. And the 30-headed curse mode will be just like the 30-headed curse mode from Barney Era 100. The super duper longest and very scariest Barney Era in the galaxy. Part 89. Anyways, let's start. Sorry about the anyways term, by the way.
Six heads mean 6 pieces of bologna.
True.
Meat.
Yes. That was pretty creepy, to be exact. And how did I just place the thing? Green guy? I mean orange guy? Since you made a remake of this, it's with your cursed modes, and you used the 30-headed cursed mode, I highly suggest using another cursed mode scarier than 30-headed cursed mode when you make your sequel. Anyways, goodbye.